Okay, so we're up to question 4. So the first part of the question is dealing with probability. Part A is all about probability. Okay, in large city, 10% of the population has green eyes. Okay, so I'm going to say the probability of green is equal to 0.1. So what is the probability that two random chosen people both have green eyes? Okay, so if I choose two people and they both have green eyes, it's 0.1 squared, and that's all there is to it. If you want to be more technically correct, this is supposed to be multiplied by, so I'll just write in red. This is just a technicality, but it's supposed to write 2 choose 2. But 2 choose 2 is 1, so you can just ignore this altogether. Okay, part 2. What is the probability that exactly two of a group of 20 randomly chosen people have green eyes? So the question is, out of 20 people, 2 have to have green eyes. So you write 0.1 squared again. Okay, so you want 2 people to have green eyes, but you want the rest of them to have anything but green. So you write 0.9 to the power of 18. Okay, but we're not done yet. There's many combinations of those 2 people that we can choose. So we need to write 20 choose 2. Okay. All right. So, and third part asks what is the probability that more than 2 of a group of 20 randomly chosen people have green eyes? So the question is more than 2. What's the probability of green being greater than 2? Okay. So for this, maybe not the best way of doing this, considering I said PG is 0.1, but you get the idea, don't you? So this is equal to, I'm going to write 1 minus probability of G less than or equal to 2. Okay, so this is going to be a very painful way of doing this. It's much easier to just convert it to this form. So you go 1 minus, in brackets, don't forget the brackets, you go 20 choose 0, which is equal to 1, times 0.1 to the power of 0, again, which is this 1, and 0.9 to the power of 20, plus 20 choose 1, 0.1 to the power of 1, times 0.9 to the 19, and last term it goes 20 choose 2, 0.1 to the power of 2 times 0.9 to the 18. Okay, and you close these brackets. Okay, so that's part A, all done. And you need to plug this in the calculator because they're asking you to two decimal places. Okay, part B. Okay, we need to use mathematical induction in this question. So, okay, the first thing that I'm going to say is f of n, so a function of n, is equal to 2 to the n minus 1 plus 5. Okay, we need to prove that this is divisible by 12. So you choose f of 1 is going to be 7 plus 5. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so 7 to the power of 1 is equal to 12. So therefore divisible. So this is divisible by 12. We have to do one more before we do k. So f of 2 is going to be 7 to the power of 3 plus 5. Now I plug this in the calculator and it turns out to be, what does it turn out to be? 348, which is equal to 12 times 29. Okay, so which means divisible by 12 again. Now we go ahead and do f of k. Okay, I'm going to pause this for now, and we'll come back in part 2 of the video.